This two-door, four-passenger coupe still has less than 10,000 miles. Top features include front dual-zone air conditioning, one-touch window functionality, a trip computer, a headlight cleaning system, heated door mirrors, and power front seats. Premium sound drives 9 speakers, providing you and your passengers a sensational audio experience. Passenger security is always assured thanks to various safety features such as dual front impact airbags, traction control, ignition disabling, and 4-wheel disc brakes with ABS. Various mechanical systems are monitored by electronic stability control, keeping you on your intended path. Our experienced sales staff is eager to share its knowledge and enthusiasm with you. Stop in and take a test drive.